IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. What do you usually spend your money on? Band 5. Answer.
I usually spend my money on food and clothes. I don't save a lot, so I just buy what I need. Sometimes I also spend on going out with friends.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence, basic flow, but simple ideas, limited development. Lexical resource, everyday vocabulary, no paraphrasing or precise language. Grammar, mostly simple sentences, some errors, limited range. Pronunciation, understandable, but not very clear or controlled. Typical of a Band 5, communicates basic ideas but with limited flexibility and accuracy. Band 7.5 Answer.
I generally spend my money on practical things, like groceries and transport. But I also set aside a bit for small treats, like going for coffee or buying a book. I try to balance enjoyment with responsibility.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence, smooth, well-organized, naturally developed. Lexical resource, good range, e.g., set aside, practical, balance. Grammar, mix of simple and complex structures with good accuracy. Pronunciation, clear, natural rhythm with few issues. Typical of a Band 7.5, flexible language and mostly well-controlled grammar. Band 9 Answer.
I usually spend my money on essentials, such as groceries and transport. But I also budget for experiences that help me unwind. For example, I enjoy buying books or treating myself to a nice meal once in a while. Overall, I try to manage my spending so I can enjoy life without being wasteful.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence, effortless flow, fully developed ideas, no hesitation. Lexical resource, sophisticated vocabulary used precisely, e.g., budget, unwind, manage my spending. Grammar, accurate, complex structures throughout. Pronunciation, natural, refined, and easy to follow. Typical of a Band 9, consistent control, precision, and fluency. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.